When people think about robots replacing jobs, they imagine the year 2050. A distant future where machines take over everything. But the truth is much simpler. And much closer. Some jobs are already disappearing today. Not because robots are smarter, but because they are cheaper, faster, and never get tired. This is not about the future. This is already happening. Warehouses are a perfect example. Picking and moving products used to be done almost entirely by humans. Today, robots do that work continuously, without breaks, without fatigue. Speed is not their main advantage. Consistency is. They repeat the same task thousands of times with the same result. For companies, that reliability is hard to ignore. The same thing is happening in quality inspection. Cameras and artificial intelligence now detect defects that the human eye cannot see. They don't lose focus. They don't change criteria at the end of a long shift. Humans get tired. Cameras don't. Retail is changing too. Self-checkouts, automatic payments, and cashier-less stores are becoming normal. This doesn't mean there are no humans anymore. It means fewer humans are needed for the same operation. Security is another area where automation is advancing fast. Robots and autonomous systems already perform routine patrols. They monitor spaces continuously using cameras, sensors, and data analysis. They don't replace security guards entirely. They replace repetitive patrol tasks. And then there are call centers. One of the fastest transformations happening right now. Chatbots and voice assistants handle thousands of conversations every day. You already talk to a robot. You just didn't notice. At the same time, something important is happening. While some jobs disappear, others are being created. More technical. More specialized. Robots don't work alone. They need maintenance. They need repairs. And they need people who understand how they fail. New roles are growing around automation. Robot maintenance and repair technicians. Advanced quality control specialists who validate what artificial intelligence detects. Automation and process engineers who design and optimize entire systems. And operators who monitor robotic and AI systems in real time. These jobs are not disappearing. They are becoming more important than ever. There are also tasks that robots still struggle with. Complex repairs. Situations that require human judgment. Decisions that depend on context, experience, and improvisation. The future is not humans versus robots. It is humans working with robots. Robots won't replace people. But people who use robots will replace those who don't.